You've probably heard of Etsy. It's a global marketplace with millions of buyers, but can you, as a Nigerian, actually make money from it? Many of you have asked if it's a scam because of the payment challenges. Today, we're going to answer that question and show you how many Nigerians are earning over $50 from a simple side business on the platform. Let's get into it. First, let's address the biggest hurdle. Our research shows that Etsy's official payment system, Etsy Payments, is not available in Nigeria. But that doesn't mean it's impossible to earn. The solution, used by many successful sellers, is to use a legitimate third-party service like Payoneer or Gray.co. These platforms provide you with the US bank account number that you can link to your Etsy shop to receive your earnings. This is the simple workaround that makes it all possible. So, now that we know how to get paid, what can you actually sell? The most accessible and profitable products are digital downloads. These are products you create once and sell over and over again, with no shipping costs. The easiest way to get started, according to our research, is by using a free and simple tool called Canva. You can create simple templates for things like planners, social media posts, birthday invitations, or even business cards. There is no experience needed, and it allows you to create a product that people are actively searching for. Now, let's talk numbers. How is earning $50 a realistic goal? Our research shows that a simple digital product on Etsy can sell for anywhere from $2 to $10. To earn $50, you would only need to make 10 sales of a $5 product, or 25 sales of a $2 product. That is a very achievable goal. With just a few high-quality listings, you can start building a consistent passive income stream. Here are the steps to get started. 1. Open a shop. You will sign up for a seller account on Etsy and fill in your shop details. 2. Set up payments. You'll use your Payoneer or Gray.co's bank account details to receive your funds. 3. Create your products. Use a free tool like Canva to create your first digital product. 4. Create a listing. Upload your product. Write a clear description, and use relevant keywords to help customers find it. 5. Promote your shop. Share your products on social media to drive traffic. Etsy is not a scam, and with the right strategy, it's a legitimate opportunity for Nigerians to earn money online. It's a fantastic way to move from an hourly gig to owning your own passive business. In our next video, we'll give you a complete, step-by-step guide on how to create a winning digital product on Canva and get your first sale on Etsy. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next video.